Hello viewers, how are you all? I'm Vishnupriya and welcome to my channel Quick Breaks. Today we are going to make bird's house. And we require a brown color sheet 18 into 24. Now fold in into between and make a circle here like this. Now make this 1.5 cm broad border in both the sides and cut this space out of it. Like this. Now in this remaining part, mark 10 points of 1 cm each and cut them. We will require 6 stripes of 1 cm. 6 stripes of 1 cm. Now cut another strip of 2 into 18 cm. And now the sticky part. Stick this 2 into 18 cm stripe on this cage at the bottom like this. Here 4 stick lengthwise and 2 stick horizontally. So here our house is ready. Now we have to make the birds. And now cut 4 circles of 5 cm, 7 cm, 9 cm and 8 cm of diameter. And now make 2 from the corner. Like this. Now let's cut the 2. Cut all the 3 remaining circle like this. Now fold this. Now fold it like this. And now cut them. Now we will make the eyes, beak and feet of them. So first of all their feet. Then their beaks. Now eyes. If you have googly eyes then it's okay, fix them, otherwise cut a white paper in small circle and stick them in their eye space. Now use black pen to make their feet. Nails. And their beak. And their eyes. Pupil of their eyes. And flip their wings like this, and our birds are ready. See this. Now we will fix it on our bird house. Now we will place the birds in our bird house. Here our birdhouse is ready. See how beautiful it is looking? Beautiful birds and their house. See how wonderful and lovely this birdhouse is looking with its birds. So you can make one for you and hang it in your balcony. If you like my video, then please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel Quick Breaks. And if you want me to make some special craft for you, so please write it on the comment box. Thanks for watching.